Breaking news. Watch the next video. Don't forget to share and like. Here we are, me and Paulette.
In 2014, Dodge introduced the 707 horsepower SRT Hellcat, the most powerful muscle car ever, redefining muscle car performance. But now Dodge is raising the bar with the introduction of the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The new Demon is the most powerful muscle car ever created, boasting 840 horsepower and 770 pound-feet of torque from its 6.2-liter Hemi V8. Now this engine provides the Demon with the highest horsepower of any other production car, propelling it from 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds and covering a quarter mile in 9.65 seconds, making it the fastest production car to ever meet those marks. At its heart is the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi Demon V8. Now this engine, this incredible engine, shares its architecture with the SRT Hellcat, but has upgraded components for race-ready performance. The modified V8 has a 2.7-liter supercharger, which can build up to 14.5 psi of boost pressure. It has 2 dual-stage fuel pumps, a high-speed valve train, and the largest functional hood scoop of any other production car. Now, its massive induction system has 3 sources of air intake: the air grabber hood, the air catcher headlamp, and an additional air inlet near the wheel liner. Now this air intake system offers 18% greater airflow than the SRT Hellcat, and it has the largest air induction volume of any other production car. Now since heat is the enemy of speed, Dodge created an all-new SRT Power Chiller, which uses the car's air conditioning refrigerant to further cool the cylinders during drive mode. It also has a new after-run chiller that uses the car's coolant pump and fan to lower temperatures and get the Demon ready for its next run. Now these 2 combined systems can lower temperatures up to 45 degrees for race-ready performance. Dodge has taken away over 200 pounds from the Demon. In pursuit of every 1/10 of a second, engineers removed the rear seats, all but 2 speakers, and a variety of insulation. Lightweight Brembo brake calipers, hollow rear sway bars, and a variety of other lightweight components further reduce the mass. But if you don't want to race alone, you can always add the seats back in for $1 each. The new Demon truly is a groundbreaking vehicle with a number of industry firsts. It is the first production car to offer street-legal drag race tires. Its 12.6-inch Nitto drag radials offer 40% greater launch force than the SRT Hellcat. It is the first production car to lift its front wheels at launch, and it has the world record for the longest standing wheelie at a standing start at 2.92 feet. Now another industry first is the Demon's trans brake. The TorqueFlite 8-speed transmission has an upgraded torque converter, and it is the first production car with a standard trans brake that actually locks the transmission output shaft, holding the vehicle in place during a standing start. It has an upgraded torque converter that can pre-fill the supercharger to build over 8 psi of boost pressure for amazing off-the-line starts. The new Demon also offers SRT Performance Pages viewable on an 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen. These performance pages offer real-time performance information with graphic displays of torque, horsepower, reaction times, 0 to 60 and quarter-mile runs, boost pressure, and more. These SRT pages allow the driver to choose between 3 different drive modes: auto, drag, and custom. Now these drive modes calibrate the Bilstein adaptive dampening suspension, the steering wheel, shifting, and more, allowing the driver to customize the vehicle to their liking. Another addition is the sinister-looking Demon Crate. Now this hellacious box of goodies is for buyers that want to fully unleash the car's potential at the drag strip. It has the buyer's name, serial and VIN number, narrow front runner wheels, and a variety of other Demon-branded tools like a hydraulic jack, an impact wrench, and a custom set of direct connection performance parts that include a powertrain control module that makes the Demon the first street-legal production car to run on 100+ octane fuel. Now, even with all of these drag strip features, the Demon is still fully covered by the FCA's factory warranty with a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage. And as with all of our SRT vehicles, buyers will be given a 1-day free pass to the Bob Bondurance School for Performance Driving to hone your driving skills. There sure is a lot to talk about this amazing new vehicle, but one thing is definitely for certain. If you are looking for the fastest, most powerful muscle car out there, the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon cannot be beat. Production on the Demon is underway and is limited to 3,000 units in the US and 300 in Canada. If you have any questions on the SRT Demon or any of our other performance vehicles, I would be happy to answer them. We would like to thank you for coming out and visiting the Dodge display and hope you enjoy the rest of your time here at the Chicago Auto Show.